Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rochelle for those of you who are new. Thank you so much for clicking on. For today's video, I want to go ahead and share what I got for Christmas. I feel like those are really fun. I hope nobody, I hope that's not out. Like I hope that fad is not gone because I love seeing what everybody got for Christmas. It's always fun to share it. So I hope that you share with me what you got for Christmas. I'm going to share with you what I got for Christmas. This is the first thing that I got. Well, it's not the first thing that I got. It's not like it was in any particular order. I'm picking up this perfume. My dad got me the Versace Dylan Turquoise perfume, and it is a massive bottle, and it's a gorgeous bottle, guys. Look at this. So I usually ask for fragrances from my dad because he just likes to, I don't know, I guess it's easier for him or it's more convenient. And I never buy fake fragrances for myself, so I don't specify. I usually like for him to surprise me, choose something out for me. Since I don't buy it myself, I don't necessarily mind having something different. I did specify that I wanted like a travel version just so I can pop it in my bag, a smaller version. It costs cheaper anyway, but they got a big one. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, guys, it's gorgeous and it smells really good. I want to smell it, but I don't want to put it on me right now. Okay, I'll try it like this. It smells really good. It's a nice, I feel like it's a night time smell. I don't know how to describe perfumes. I might look at I'm not gonna look at the online thing, but it smells really good. It's really fresh. I really like it. So last year he got me the Dylan Blue, and it's this bottle here. This is the old one that I got last year, and then this is the upgraded one. This is my go-to scent at the moment since it's so hard to come by my favorite scent, which is YSL Paris. It's just kind of rare right now. So lately I've been wearing this for everyday use. It's going to be really exciting to now kind of wear this one now to switch it up. This is a really nice fresh smell, so yeah, I'm really excited. I wish I knew more about perfumes to have more to say, but I really don't. Like my sister was just in here saying that it gave her notes of roses when she first smelled it, but yeah, I don't get that. So it smells really nice is the best I can do. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out yourself. And yeah, so the next thing, another fragrance that I got is the YSL Mon Paris. Yeah. This is a travel version. My mom got me this one, and yeah, she saw that I also requested a travel one, and she got that one, which is great because I wanted some fragrances that I can put into my bag. That way, in case it fades, which, you know, sometimes it does, especially in the summertime. So it's just going to be nice to have this on those long days to kind of refresh your fragrance when it starts to fade out. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this one. I can't remember what this one smells like. I'm so sorry if there's a lot of noise. This one is this one literally smells like candy and fruits. So it's a very fruity smell, very feminine. Not something I would typically go for, but it's an interesting smell, so it'll be fun to wear. Yeah, so I'm excited about this one. Don't mind my nail. Just want to show you the bottle. So another thing that I got, I'm actually just going to talk about it and then do a clip, because it's plugged in, and if I unplug it, then it'll reset the clock. And it's an alarm clock. It's a minimal style alarm clock found from Amazon. I actually sent this link. My mom was like, guys, send your list, like let me know what you want. And I was just like, okay, I'll just send you a few links on my Amazon cart, things that I was looking at and considering buying myself. So yeah, I sent her a link to this. It's just a block. It looks like wood. It's not actually wood. It's like this kind of cheap, a little rinky, but it looks nice. Little block of wood, digital clock that also is a wireless phone charger, which is so cool. So right now it's not looking kind of nice just because I don't have a bedside table or I forgot what people call it. Bedside table, nightstand. I don't have a nightstand. So it's not looking as cute as it can be, but I just like how minimal it is. So that was one of the things that I got for Christmas. So another thing that I got, this one's kind of a random one, but it's sweet. It's a book. I have the Velveteen Rabbit book. So my older sister got me this book, and she remembered that it used to be my favorite book when I was a kid. I remember in my school, every time we had library day, I always checked out this book. So yeah, she went and got it for me. It didn't look like this. This is a lot prettier. So yeah, she got it for me. Yeah, it's added to my library, and this, if I have a child, will probably go to my child, you know, go in their library. So yeah, the Velveteen Rabbit, nice classic story. Okay, so next I just have a small knickknack things. I'm just gonna show it up to you. This is a box of really cute little brushes. If you look close, you can see little bows on them. So that's really adorable. I was actually in need of some new brushes. So yeah, this will come in handy because some of mine have been occupied, and I do need just different brushes for different colors and things like that, so I don't have to keep cleaning them in between different uses. So yeah, this came in handy. I want to say my mom got me this. Yeah. NYX, it's a NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fudge Me. I think this was on my Amazon art. I think this was one of the links that I sent because I remember having a few NYX things, but I actually told my mom not to get the NYX things because I bought them myself, but my sister ended up buying it for me anyways. But you can't go wrong with having multiples because once it runs out, I have another one as backup. So next, also for my sister, I have a pack of rings. Well, this is my other sister, my older sister. I have a pack of gold rings. I told her that I really like minimal jewelry, minimal rings. That's one of the things that I always forget to buy myself jewelry, and I really, really like rings. I like stacking them on my fingers. So yeah, these are really cute. I can't wait to put those on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. These are definitely from Nordstrom Rack, and we were definitely looking at them together. All right, the next few items are actually workout gear. So my sister, my younger sister, got me some workout gear that was also, some of these were on my Amazon wish list. So one of them is this beige sports bra. Don't mind the wrinkles. I actually just stuffed it into my gym bag, and the wrinkles don't matter because once I put it on, it'll stretch out because it is very tight fitting. I tried it on already, but I really like the beige. I've been trying to get better workout wear. Then we have here, and this is probably my favorite, just because I've been, not really my favorite, but I've been needing one of these jackets. I specifically had in my cards because I'm trying to get them all colors, that way they can match. So there's a jacket, and then as a set, and I think this is from Fashion Nova. I think that's what the wrapping said. So this is a set. It's a sports set also. You've got the sports bra, nice brown color, kind of looks like purple a little bit. Now that I'm looking at it, and I'm wondering, is this brown or is this purple? In the camera it looks brown. For some reason in front of my face it looks purple, but yeah, brown. So we've got the sports bra, and then we have some leggings here, kind of wrinkled, don't mind it. It has those butt things, but when I put it on, it's very weird. It's actually much lower on my leg, which I don't get. It looks like it'd be right there in place, but no, it ends up being way down there. Maybe my butt's too small or something, I don't know. But yeah, those are the leggings. I don't think that's all that I got. I feel like there's something else I'm forgetting. Oh, duh, this tripod. Oh my God. So you're holding the next thing up, so I can't show you, but I did record a clip last night. Please don't mind the poor quality, but I just want to show you what the tripod looks like. That's one of the things that I got. So my mom got me the tripod. I put it on my Amazon cart as well. And it's this tripod that comes with a little remote, and it is a selfie stick as well. I thought it was the one that moves with you, like it turns and follows your movement, but it's not, and that's okay, because it's working wonderfully right now. I don't have to use my other one, which is my ring light. So this is a good setup, and it's white. It's so cute, and it folds down quite nicely. So yeah, this tripod here, Atomic. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced. It's a nice tripod that my mom got me. I think that's it, but if there's anything else, I'll try and put it in a short or a reel or something like that. So sorry if I missed it. Guys, unfortunately, I'm not going to be I'm not going to be putting links for all these products because, yeah, I'm just not going to do that. It was gifts. I just don't want to. I don't feel like it. I'm trying to come up with an excuse, but I just don't feel like it. There's not going to be links for this one. So sorry. If you do have a special request, you can leave the comment down below and then I'll provide a link. But if not, you're not going to find links for this video. And with that, that concludes the video. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you got for Christmas. Send me a link to your video showing what you got for Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.